Hey, this is Mark, the other chopstick guy, and today I want to talk to you about editing perfect skies with little to no effort. Now, I think you're going to be really shocked today to find out that guess what? I'm not talking about Photoshop. I'm talking about Skyloom's Luminar software. And today they're launching a brand new feature called Sky AI. Yes, they're using artificial intelligence to give you the best skies possible in your images. Let me show you how easy it is. All right, so we're in Luminar 2018, and I'm going to show you that cool new feature that was just added today to Luminar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Filters, and under my filters, right up top here, I have a new button called AI Sky Enhancer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to give me this slider right here, and I'm going to go ahead and start moving it, and you can start seeing that it's almost as if I just put a polarizer on my lens. Now if I turn that off and on, you're going to see that it's just applying this to the sky. It's not applying it anywhere else in my image. You notice that water down below, it's not changing. This is stuff that I don't have to do any work. I don't have to mask around any trees. I don't have to worry about, around that area of the bridge, the white part that's sticking up there from the sundial. It just does it all on its own with one slider. That's the power of this program. Now, I've been using Luminar for a while now, and I'm using it more and more in my workflow because it seems to handle color or render color better than I'm finding in the Adobe products that I'm using. I just like the richness of the colors, and it seems to be a more of a natural color that I saw when I took the image. But this program right now is available, can you believe it, for only 59 bucks. There's a link down below. If you follow that link below, you can go ahead and download the software and give it a try. I know you're going to like this. It is just that easy to use.